Today we are learning how to program a drone, and we have a set of challenges that we have to do. We came here through the Grizzlies Scholars Program. CodeCrew is a part of Grizzlies Prep. They have a program there.
We get to fly a drone in a different way. When it comes down to coding, they're using JavaScript to make the drone go left, right, up, down, and spin in circles or do a backflip, which is their favorite one actually.
One of the challenges is to program our drone to go around the pillar, which is very difficult because, sometimes we might mess up and then we have to redo what we did and figure out the problem.
Every time the drone crashes, we have to recalibrate it over and over again, so that's challenging.
They're utilizing code because it helps with critical analysis, helping them to try things from different points of view, different angles, over and over again until they get it right.
My favorite part so far is coding.
My favorite part of today is definitely coding the drone. I like working with computers and technology.